apply his whole nails because I think I'm gonna transfer and like pretty much see what I got over here. It's gonna be cool, it's gonna be stunning. All right, so here for 30 seconds. Hi Sharenta, hey, how are you, love? We are going to do this design. Is a big flowers, but it's just really catching my eye today. That's how I can able to do some fun design with. You can do this part, you can do this flowers. I don't know, you tell me, because like some of them are really cool though. You can do half of it. You see what I mean? Like, it's so many different ways to play with this design. You do half of this like that. You can do half of this like that. I think I'm gonna do half of this. All right. I am going to have half and half of this cool leaves right there. All right. It doesn't matter, you can do so many different ways, the way you want it. And rub it on, so like make sure you rub it firmly. And yesterday you see me, I'm using that dual ant tweezer. It's really cool as well. It can rub it for you nicely right there, because my fingers has a little bit oil on it. So I put cuticle oil on my fingernails. It's already come off. It's already come off. I don't need to even do anything. Right there. Like, if the clients love like that, you can leave it alone. Look at how it transfers, really cool. But if you want to add some crystals on it, which is really stunning, you also can do it as well. So let me put some cute crystal on it. And I have quite several cool things going on in here, and I have right in front of me is another tray right here. I have some of stuff from see this one, for my Jupiter mix bags. It's really cool. Let me see what I can get it from here. I am going to apply my condensed glue gel first. Really thick density. Like, if I move it upside down, you don't see it's move anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna apply the condensed glue gels. Hey Henry, hey, how are you? Dialex, hello love, how are you? Anh Henry share dùm em cái video ha. Anh khỏe không? Alright, I'm gonna apply it, blend nicely. If your first time using this is a little bit thick density, which is absolutely normal, just blend it out and it's go right into the nails. And I also have this one as well. I really like that one as well. So I am going to apply the no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gels. Here you go. It's right on my side. Right there. Hi Instagram, thank you so much for tuning in. I am doing a first nails. First I did with the chamfer foil, and I go in with condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, and now I'm gonna do some crystal placements on this one.
Yep, Sarah said she about to go live and then you go on before her.
Oh, Sarah, I'm so sorry. It won't take too long. Oh, my love. after I go live, I'm gonna tune right in. I will share it for you, love. I'm gonna do some, using some of my charms. See what I got in here. Hold on, I might have beads and frame here. Can you grab some of beads and frame for me?
Okay.
Please, and thank you. Hey, how are you, Sarah? I'm just so obsessed with today. I don't know. It's just this foil is really catching my eyes. I can absolutely doing so many, like 4 nails with this foil with I think it's no problem at all. We use some beads.
Yeah.
Oh. Right, good. Thank you. Just tighten there. This one is really simple, easy for a lot of beginners. Can you move this one? It's too busy right there. So I try to keep things neat so then it doesn't look too busy. And just this is really simple, easy for a lot of beginners. I think it's gonna be so much fun, even like if you don't want to do any crystal placement. But if the clients want something is like a little crystals on it, you can absolutely add some on. You can do different colors. It doesn't have to be an accessory with AB. Like you can do with the green, you can do with pink. I think it looks cute as well. Or blue, because this one will go with heavy colors, or even purple. So it depends on your clients or you, how you create it look for your clients. And I put the beads right between crystals. You don't have to an accessory, but I think I love the look of it. All right, I think I'm good with this. And we're gonna go ahead and key this one. You need to zoom this one bigger.
Yeah, you saying. Because your hand keep moving outside. I had to keep like that.
All right. Oh, sorry.
There you go.
Leave it.
Zoom in.
Great. So if you really like this one, we're gonna go ahead and clear this one for 60 seconds. What if this one is going a whole nails like that? I just want to show you how you can even do it with one of them. And let's do a chamfer foil again for this. Today is going to be really stunning, easy, simple for a lot of beginners. And
So
is
you're going to do precision on everything at once?
probably I'm going to do precision on all of them at once.